gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
I honestly didn't see this coming, but the very first Ultra phone of 2026 is already here. Yes, this is the brand new iQOO 15 Ultra. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's get started. If you just bought the iQOO 15, are you feeling a little emotional right now? The moment I saw the color scheme of the 15 Ultra, it instantly gave me futuristic vibes, almost like a spaceship or even a battleship ready to launch Gundams at any second. The overall tech aesthetic is seriously on another level. So what exactly sets it apart from the regular iQOO 15? A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The most noticeable change is the built-in high-speed cooling fan inside the body. The exhaust vent sits on the left side, while the air intake is smartly hidden beneath the camera module. This layout has a clear advantage as it helps reduce dust and other particles from entering the airflow system. And trust me, the airflow is no joke. At this point, iQOO is clearly going all in, delivering not just extreme performance, but also a truly ultra-level camera system. Performance and imaging are both pushed to the max here. Another big upgrade is the addition of 2 pressure-sensitive buttons on the frame. A lot of people have been asking what these are for, and the easiest way to explain it is by thinking of a switch controller. These work just like controller shoulder buttons, and on the phone, you can fully customize them for gaming. In FPS titles especially, these shoulder buttons offer incredibly fast response times, with latency so low it's basically unnoticeable. Moving to the back design, the biggest difference compared to the iQOO 15 is the camera module. It now features a transparent, see-through design with a very futuristic layout. You can clearly see the 3 lenses, all using a floating style design that instantly reminded me of the spacecraft visuals from Interstellar. Paired with the Ultra logo, the whole setup looks seriously premium. On top of that, the camera's breathing light has been upgraded. Instead of the ring-style light from the iQOO 15, you now get a sleek light strip integrated into the camera module. This lighting can be customized for games, notifications, and calls, and it even pulses dynamically during gameplay. I'm not sure how girls might feel about this, but speaking as a guy, it's honestly super cool. Now let's check out the front. I'm someone who loves switching wallpapers, and this metallic style wallpaper fits the iQOO 15 Ultra perfectly. When it comes to design details, the camera module's corners now sit at an equal distance from the frame, which makes the entire phone look more balanced and cohesive. The back panel also hides some really thoughtful design touches. The patterns and textures feel trendy and modern, and when paired with the silver finish and icy blue accents, the phone gives off a strong futuristic vibe. It's hard to capture on camera, but the texture has a subtle shimmering effect. When you gently tilt the phone, the colors shift and move, almost like liquid flowing beneath the surface. In terms of in-hand feel, compared to the iQOO 15, you'll notice the metal frame edges taper inward more smoothly, and the transition to the back panel feels seamless, making it much more comfortable to hold. One more pleasant surprise is the return of the classic L-shaped charging connector. It's perfect for gaming while charging, offering a solid grip and a more comfortable experience. Honestly, it's been years since we last saw this kind of design. Overall, I'd say the iQOO 15 Ultra takes a very bold approach to design. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And keep in mind, this is just an advanced unboxing of the iQOO 15 Ultra. I'll be uploading a full, detailed review after the official launch on the 4th of February. For that in-depth review, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our tech family. I'll see you in the next video.